In this video, I will show you how easy it is to have perfect skin. Let's begin.
You need a non-surgical facelift if you answer yes to any of these questions. Are your looks fading? Facelift workouts will make you look considerably younger. Using acupressure ABD facial toning exercises. Do you look in the mirror and see creases and wrinkles deepening? Your lines will soften or disappear with facial yoga exercises. Wendy Wilken is featured in her downloadable face yoga ebook. At the time of these photos she had 2 kids and is not wearing any makeup. Isn't this awesome? Do you see the bags under your eyes getting heavier? Face exercises will halt and reduce the fatty deposits in eye bags and lessen dark rings. Do you observe the skin on your face and neck beginning to sag? Does that make sense? Wendy Wilken is a facial aerobics exercise practitioner and an expert in non-surgical facelift regimens. This face exercise program will lift and firm the sagging skin. Thinking of undergoing expensive plastic surgery to look younger? Hassle-free, no knife, no surgeon, free natural facelift with Wendy's 30-day facial yoga program. How do yoga facial exercise work? Face toning workouts flexes the muscles like a bodybuilder using weights. Are you getting this? Act now. Click the link below to get started. Can you see how this would help you in your beautification strategies and no major risks of surgery? Can you imagine what it would be like once you apply yoga facial exercises? So which is it? Is it the knife or yoga? Click below to avoid the knife. Wendy Wilken has helped thousands of people around the world to obtain their own natural facelift through her ebook Facelift Without Surgery. Is this cool?
Thanks for stopping by. I hope now you can see how our product will truly make your life easier.